China. Where are we right now on the boundary situation with our wonderful neighbor?
We have allowed people to talk to each other so that wherever there is some kind of a doubt, we can raise the level and resolve it. What I have done, I have empowered all the core commanders along the line of actual control to make sure that whatever issues can be resolved at their level where there is a misinterpretation of understanding and which can escalate to a violence, that should be something.
So when you say
The opposition leader Rahul Gandhi made a statement that Chief of Army Staff has already said that there was incursion in Ladakh sector.
Army should not be involved in the politics.
once you said that you want women soldiers to be like goddess Kali on the battlefield.
बुंदेले हरबोलों के मुख हमने सुनी कहानी थी, वो
मर्दानी।
बड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी।
My guest today is the Indian Army Chief, General Upendra Trivedi. This is the first time that a serving Chief of Army Staff has ever appeared on a podcast, and we are honored to have him.
How do I put faith in my domestic industry in the defense sector when they can't even produce a basic assault rifle, sir?
Earlier, the license was not there for small arms production. So when the license is not there, how the R&D will start? Today, all the private manufacturers are saying, had you given me a lead time of 10 years, I would have been exporting this equipment to all over.
Did the preemptive strikes that happened, did that have an impact on these kind of incidents which are taking the violations or even cross-border movement?
People from across, when I was a youngster, they used to say, साथी आपका हुक्म तो दिल्ली से आएगा, हम तो यहीं से फायर करते हैं. Now what has happened from 2014, if you see, India has said very clearly that we will be assertive in our communication. And if required, we can be aggressive also.
Guy you've been having khana with and suddenly there's a casualty. How do you tell the family? How do you cope with that kind of a loss?
So there's a painful experience. But in infantry, armor, mech, RT, engineers especially, that we are one family. So even if you're having a get-together today, you will find all the widows come. Everybody comes.